So I went on Instagram and I asked what you wanted to see. And 69% of you said night routine and 31 said organize and declutter. So we're doing a night routine. I just got home. It is 3:20 and I'm gonna start now because I might as well. We ordered some food. But what I'm gonna do before the food gets here is go and cut the grass. This is just real here. This is gonna be part of the night. Normally it's like cut the grass, do some dishes, things like that, but we're gonna go cut the grass. Doesn't that sound like fun? Not really. But anyway, that's what we're gonna do. Go cut the grass. So I think I have dirt on my face. My food got here. So this is not every single night, but A&W, it looks so good. It's now 3:30. Haven't ate since like 11. I only had a muffin this morning, so I'm so hungry. Can't wait to have this. You're always with me, right? Yes, always with me. You're not getting anything though. No A&W for Scarlett. But I'm going to eat this and then I will see you guys after. You're not getting anything. No. I spent about an hour outside. It's so gross, I know, but I'm sweating. I need to shower, so I'm gonna go shower. So that is part of my nighttime routine because I have to wash my hair and I always do that at night. So let's go do that. So I did a hair mask. That was the clip you guys seen. My hair right now needs to be detangled and I need a deep conditioner. So I'm gonna use my good old Fanola. Now, this is the 10 Action Spray that I use all the time and there's like nothing left. I'm trying to use up everything that's in here. So I always just kind of take whatever's on here and then I just take some of this because I added water in it and I like to just run it through my hair and detangle as much of my hair as I can with my fingers. Then I go in with my wet brush. I'm gonna finish it. Like I'm actually going to be finishing this. I'm done. No. Okay, anyway. That's sad. Deodorant. I have been using the Live Clean Cool and Fresh deodorant. It's nice. I do enjoy this. I'll give you more of like a review when I do an empties on this. I got this at Walmart. I've been enjoying it. There was a detox period, but I do enjoy it. So I apply this about twice a day. So deodorant's done. Typically I like to keep my face products very, very minimal because my skin's sensitive. So I go in with a Mary Kay Time Wise Moisture Renewing Gel Mask, and I like this one because you can just let it sit on your face and rinse it off the next morning, so that's perfect. And I don't use a whole lot, just enough. So I can literally apply this mask and just go about my night and sleep with it and rinse it off in the morning. Okay, lastly, eye cream. So I have been using eye cream since I've been like 13 and I bought this Olay one. It's been good. It's like a gel one, which I honestly prefer cream. It's probably just a texture thing, but I'm done. I don't have anything else. So I'm gonna go in the kitchen, watch Jessica Braun's video, and clean the kitchen because it is a mess. It's been a mess. I didn't clean it up last night. Let me show you. Here is the mess. It is awful. This is awful. So I have to clean it. Here's the funny story. Last night I was cooking rice and I swear every video my dog farts. Last night I was cooking rice and I finished cooking it and I asked my boyfriend to put it away, and then I was going to tidy up the kitchen after that, but what he did was he put all the rice away and he filled the pot with water just to kind of get anything that was sticking on it out, and we knocked the full pot of water all over the floor. So I said, I'm not touching anything. We're mopping the floor and then I'm going to bed. So I haven't touched anything, so I need to clean the kitchen and I want to watch Jessica's video. It's a clean kitchen. We cleaned it all, so what I did was I did all the dishes, wiped the counters, did the floor. Anyway, I want to finish watching Jessica's video. I'll link her channel below. And then Mikkel, I think she came out with a video where she was talking about how she met her husband, so I'm gonna link that in the description below also. And I'm basically just gonna watch some YouTube for a bit and then I'm gonna do some laundry. So that's what I'm gonna do for now. Also, I have been trying to get better at Instagram. So I'm trying to be more active on my story. I'm trying to post more pictures. So if you have any like suggestions, like what I should post on Instagram or what you'd want to see, or if I should post more pictures, more like IGTVs, videos, please let me know. Just let me know whatever you'd want to see. And I've also been thinking about doing like a live video on YouTube, going live I think is what it is. So anyway, let me know if you want to see me go live on Instagram, YouTube. Let me know if you want to see me go live on YouTube. I think that would be fun. So while the dishwasher is quiet, I just painted my nails. I used the all-in-one SC top, base, and cuticle thing. I use this. And then I also use this Lasting Finish Pro Rimmel London nail polish. I'm not the best at painting my nails, clearly, but it did the job. I've been trying to use up my nail polish collection, and this was like the next one to be used up, so I'm trying to use this one up. And I mean, I didn't do too bad of a job. Like, I'm not the best at painting my nails, but I mean, I did okay. So I'm trying to use up all the nail polish I have prior to buying new. I had a gel nail lamp gifted to me for Christmas by my mom, and I used it twice and it honestly blew up. Like, I'm not joking. It got so hot one day and then I passed it to my boyfriend and the light just like went poof. So I've just decided to try and use up all my nail polish, and then once the nail polish is done, then I will purchase a gel lamp because I was able to get the refund. But anyway, yeah, did my nails, cleaned because I clean a lot. Does anybody else clean this much? And of course, we are celebrating Christmas in July. I am trying to use up all my candles as well before purchasing some local ones. So I'm almost done this one, and now I'm going to watch a YouTube video and and then do some laundry. So on Facebook, there's like this auction page, and I actually won this like cute tank top. It's an extra small. Actually, this should fit me. It's an extra small. I won it for $2, and it's by Tallulah. It's from Aritzia anyway, so because we were rudely interrupted. I won this tank top. I think it's gonna fit. I don't have many tank tops, and actually I did a declutter video where I went through my whole wardrobe and I only kept 30 pieces, and I was pretty proud of myself. And I seen this tank top online. I won it for $2. I needed new tank tops and I thought it was a pretty color, and I've always wanted to try Aritzia, but I wasn't sure if extra small would fit me, so I thought it was a good time to try it. And I'm actually going to be decluttering again in the fall, so I'll keep this in my closet, and then when the fall comes, when I swap out my clothes and everything, I can declutter then. I have one very thirsty dog apparently who needs to drink every time I film, and I actually had some leftover crumble to make a raspberry crumble, so let's go take that out of the oven. This is so good. I'll link the recipe in the description down below. This is what we use for Scarlett's meal count, because if I don't count her meals, she will continue to eat and eat and eat and eat and eat and eat. What are you doing with your paw? Okay, you guys, you know how I had said I was gonna do laundry? I didn't. I ended up watching Sierra Schultz's video on the Peloton bike, and it was an hour long, and then I went down the road of minimalist videos, and I've honestly just been watching videos all night, and I'm not gonna lie, it was really nice. I also went back out and I played frisbee with my dog, and it was just really, really relaxing. This is basically what I do every single night. I don't always wash my hair just because I try and wash it like once every 4 days, and I typically work out every other day, but because I had a long work day and because I did like gardening or de-gardening, cleaning up the yard, because I cleaned up the yard for like an hour, I felt like that was enough. I am tired. If you can tell, I don't know if you can, but I am really, really tired, and I think I'm going to end it here. I hope that you guys enjoyed this nighttime routine. You know, the candle every night, the salt lamp and my lamp every single night, cleaning every single night, you know, playing with Scarlett all the time. So that is basically every single night for me. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, and make sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know something that you do every single night, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.